Where are my glasses? Okay. That's better. Don't forget me, cause yourself. Hi. So, y'all haven't seen me in a minute. Y'all already know how it goes. But if you look around, I'm back home. So, I think I'm about to whip some up. I think we're making tacos. We're making like kind of street tacos, and then we're making impossible meat tacos. So, y'all are gonna watch me cook. If you see my other cooking video, if you haven't, go watch it right now. Pause this and go watch it right now. I said pause this and go watch it right now. And now that you're back, if you see my other cooking video, y'all already kind of know how it goes. So, yeah. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna get my skirt steak because I'm gonna put like all of this in the Instapot because I don't feel like doing any real work. This the Instapot I use. I got it a couple Christmases ago. Yes, I'm the type of girl that asks for appliances for Christmas. That's how you know your childhood really ended. Hope you can see that. I'm gonna be using this skirt steak, and I'm really just gonna put this in the Instapot, and then I'm gonna put some this isn't the one we usually get. We usually use another one, but I couldn't find it at Albertsons. So we're using Wicked Awesome Taco Simmer Sauce, the carne asada flavor. So. What the hell? I don't have no help, so if the ankles is bad, they're just bad. Okay, I'm gonna put the taco simmer sauce in there now. Okay, so it says right here you put 1 tablespoon of it in here for. Excuse the noise. I told y'all I'm at home. It says you put 1 tablespoon per pound, and I just put like probably close to 3 pounds. Yeah, probably like close to 3 pounds of meat in there. So I'm going to put 3 tablespoons in here of taco simmer sauce. What is this called? Wicked Awesome Taco. Normally I'll be like, measure for what, you know? But I'm gonna roughly measure it this time. Roughly. I told y'all are gonna have to get with the different angles. I don't have my sister here to record. That's about. Oh, great heavens! That's a little over. Because I'm really thinking I could just add this whole thing in here, but I just kind of want to make sure that's the mentality I can afford to have. Yeah. By the way, once again, just like last time, y'all really aren't supposed to. Anyway, like I was saying, just like last time, I don't really make these for y'all to follow along or cook at home. Y'all really just here for the ride. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna add a little avocado oil to it. about that much. Once again, don't do none of this. Yeah. I also got some lime, so I'm gonna like cut up half a lime and squeeze like half a lime in here.
Magnificent.
I'm also gonna add probably like half a cup of water to it. Just so it kind of doesn't like burn or anything. Because I'm pretty much just gonna put this on pressure cook and it's all gonna cook down. I'm gonna add more stuff to it, you know, like cilantro, onion, this, that, and the third. But I just kind of need to go ahead and start cooking now. I can hear your heartbeat. I'm finna chop up some vegetables. Y'all get it. I'm not really finna do too much explaining because I'm already going through a lot trying to get the angles right. So, you finna watch me cut up some stuff. Another side note, I'm very bad at chopping vegetables. It's just not something I'm very good at. I just care about the outcome and not what it actually looks like. So if you notice my chopping skills are a little ghetto, keep that to yourself. Yeah. Y'all, the dogs are distracting me. They're distracting me. My dad has cut the fan on, so you know how people say you're supposed to like cut the stems off of cilantro? I'm way too lazy, so I never do.
It is what it is.
Once again, that's my business. If you don't want to do it like that, don't do it like that. Y'all are just here for the ride. Y'all are just here to watch. That is it. Okay? So I'm not the chomp this off as well. So now I'm gonna open this can of green chilies and this can of black refried beans to make my mom's food. I hate can opening things. It's so unnecessarily hard. I've been asking my mom to get an electric can opener. At this point, I'm gonna get it myself. If you notice my beads look a little green, it's because they're glow in the dark. Let me see if I can show you. You see? You see? Anyways. I'm gonna warm up my mom's food. integrate all them flavors in there. That's what it's gonna kind of look like after you mix it all in. But yeah, that's Impossible Meat, y'all. I had only put my skirt steak on for 10 minutes and now the little 10 minutes is up. But I'm gonna open it, probably put some veggies and stuff in it, and then let it cook longer because it's not gonna be done. We'll see. I know, like, I put the, what you call it in there, the simmer sauce, which should be enough to season it. But I just kind of want to make sure all the flavors are very prominent. So then a little garlic, onion powder, and Greek seasoning. You know when you get to that part in the kitchen where everything kind of speeds up a little bit because you're making like multiple things at once? That's another thing, like with cooking. I won't call myself a serious cooker. I really only cook for like my family, and they seem to like it. So, but cooking, especially for a family of 5, you learn how to time manage things and how long certain things should cook, or like when to make things first because they're gonna take the longest. I'm thinking I'ma keep that cooking for I really only need like maybe 8 minutes. Like most of the meat was cooked. It just needed that extra like couple minutes to get some of that pink out. I'm also a firm believer of cook while you go. So it's a little less mess at the end. Last little things I'm gonna do is caramelize this yellow onion for the beef tacos, the actual meat tacos, and then warm up these black refried beans.
Beans, what?
We got some sauteed yellow onion, black refried beans, my mama's food, some queso, and she's warming up her little street corn in the oven. The meat is done. I'm gonna fog up my whole camera. Meat is done. And I think that's all I have to make. Oh, I'm gonna make some guacamole as well. Avocados from Mexico. If you get that reference, you're funny.
Poison in my veins, I used 10 sober. Saw you last night, but I didn't know ya. Got too much drive, I'ma run 'em over. Thought you would've won, tell me to a law.
Before y'all complain about my fingers being in the food or stuff like that, it's my house, my family, okay? And my hands are clean. I wash my hands several times in the kitchen.
We do not care.
If you ain't never had this Welch's passion fruit, effective immediately, go get it. Immediately.
Poison in my veins, I ain't staying sober. Saw you last night, but I didn't know ya. Got too much drive, I'ma run 'em over. Thought you would've won.
About to fry up some tortillas.
That beat come in so hard and so nasty.
I stick to the block. No time for the thoughts. No time for the box. She gon' get a knot. Ayy, off-white on my top. Play J Rolly watch. Supreme on my lock.
But yeah, now that I'm home, I want to cook a lot more. So this may be a series. It's giving cook with me. I guess it should be more like cook alongside me, or more like watch me cook, watch me cook. Because at no point in time do I really want y'all to do what I'm doing. Because I don't be making stuff I'm confident in making for real, for real. And I really do plan on like trying to cook things I've never cooked before and seeing if they're successful or not. Like today, I've kind of made this before. Like I made my mom's food before, but we had different meat and a different sauce that I never used before. So kind of tasting it, kind of going along with the flow. So don't do as I do. I cut up. I think they like button ups. I want to learn how to make tortillas from scratch.
Play J Rolly watch. Supreme on my locks. 350s when I walk. I stick to the block. No time for the thoughts. No time for the box.
Like so, like that.
Just give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me!
I'm gonna go devour these.
Ayy, off-white on my top. Play J Rolly watch. Supreme on my locks. 350s when I walk. Slop on my knob.
See, hold on. Oh, he's dripping. He's dripping. No more soon. My bad. You want a bite? Gone? Okay. Well, I'm gonna finish my other tacos off camera. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment. Did I just say that twice? I meant it both times. Comment, subscribe, telling me other things you want to see this summer, because it'll pretty much just be me posting videos this summer. So tell me what else you want to see. Give me suggestions, anything. I accept all criticisms and isms. If it's how to do this better, cool, let me know. And yeah, follow me on my Instagram. You can DM me there, my Snapchat, my TikTok. And I will see y'all next time. Don't forget to stay tuned. Bye.
This is goodbye.